Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn about cloud migration strategies or 6 R's. So please join me to go through this learning together. In today's world, every organization wants to harness the potential of cloud computing in order to gain competitive edge over their peers or competitors. Migrating their existing applications and infrastructure from on-premises environment to cloud environment would be a daunting and problematic task if a thought-through, well-designed plan is not created for cloud migration activities. In order to create the well-designed plan, you need to first understand the prescribed cloud migration strategies. In 2011, Gartner published an article written by Richard Watson which outlines 5R cloud migration strategies. These 5Rs are rehost, refactor, revise, rebuild, and replace. In 2016, Stephen Orwin of AWS revised these 5Rs strategies by renaming some and adding new one. That makes it 6Rs cloud migration strategies. These 6 R's helps you categorizing the cloud migration strategy of your applications and bringing structure into your decision process. So in order to understand these 6 R's cloud migration strategies, let's assume that the organization in which you are working is planning to migrate their applications from on-premises environment to cloud environment. CTO of the organization calls you into the cabin and asks you to prepare the migration plan. You are new to cloud technology and you don't have that expertise. So you reach out to your friends, your colleagues, and you also research over the internet to prepare a migration plan. But all the resources to whom you reach out to, they suggested that in order to prepare a well designed plan, you first need to understand the cloud migration strategies. So in order to understand these cloud migration strategies, you first start looking into some of the data like the organization objective about cloud migration, whether it is a long term strategy or a short term strategy. You also collected information about the available cloud skilled resources within the organization. Secondly, you start looking information about the existing application portfolio within the organization. So you collected informations like business requirements of the application, existing licensing agreements, what is in your environment, technical stack, application interdependencies, storage level of the application, network level of the application, performance metrics of that application. There are many tools available in the market which will help you to gather this information about applications within your organization. So some of the tools are like Stackified Retrace, App Dynamics, Application Insight, Dynatrace, New Relic. Once you collected data related to application portfolio, then you can start grouping your applications into one of the cloud migration strategies or 6 R's. Your organization is new in cloud world and your organization just want to harness the cloud capabilities, or in other words, they just want to test the water. Your application is written using monolithic code. That means all your application code is exist in single project. You are just started with cloud and you don't have much experience, then it would be great to start with rehosting. In rehosting, you just pick up your application from on premises environment and host in the same way in cloud environment. Second strategy is just a variation of lift and shift or rehost. It suggests to make some adjustment into your application to optimize for the cloud. Core architecture of the application will remain same. For example, you have a web application which uses SQL Server as its backend database. When you migrate this application to cloud, you host the website code into a virtual machine, and for database you use the RDS service of the cloud. So you are just changing the platform of your database. Moving your application to a new cloud native product, most commonly a SaaS platform. Move from perpetual license to a software as a service model. For example, migrating your customer relationship management system to salesforce.com or MS Dynamics 365. So here you will give away the existing license agreement and purchase a software as a service subscription. If you want to fully utilize the power of cloud, like scalability, elasticity, high availability, you are ready to re-architect your existing application or any new application which is in planning phase right now. And when you are moving into the cloud, so you can develop that application based on the cloud architecture in order to fully utilize the cloud capabilities. So refactor or re-architecting is the fourth strategy. Retain. So there are some application in your organizations which are compliance sensitive, and because of these compliance, it is prescribed to store the data of those application in on-premises environment only. Application requires major refactoring. External or internal dependency of application not accessible from cloud environment. Application in architecturally not fit for cloud. No business justification to migrate. So you can keep those application in on-premises environment only. The last strategy is retire, and it is self-explanatory. Based on the application portfolio discovery data, you find out that some of the application will retire soon, or they are reaching their end of life. So now we have 6 hours strategy. Rehost is about you are just picking up your application from on premises to and hosting into the cloud environment in same way. Replatform is you are making just a small adjustment into your application so that it can utilize some of the cloud functionality, but the core architecture of the application will remain same. Refactor is re-architecting. It is a costly approach for your application. Repurchase is where you are get away from a licensing agreement and choosing a software as a service subscription. Retain are for those application which will remain in on premises. Retire are those applications which are reaching into their end of life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video help you to clear your understanding on this topic. Please like this video, share your comment and feedback, and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends.